Hey everyone, this is Jim, producer of the Around the House Show podcast. If you're listening right now, you already know we bring you the best tips, tricks, and expert advice to fix, upgrade, and maintain everything in your home without the headaches or the huge bills. But if you're catching us on the radio or borrowing a friend's phone, you're missing out on new episodes dropping straight to your device every week. So do yourself a favor, hit pause for just a second, grab your phone, and subscribe to Around the House Show on your favorite podcast player. Whether it's Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube Music, or wherever you listen. It's completely free, and you'll never miss an episode again. Thanks for supporting the show. Now let's get back to making your house work for you. Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. In the first hour of the show, Eric G. and John Dudley debate the subject, are old homes better than new homes? Is there any truth to the saying, they sure don't build them like they used to?
I see a lot of, I'm on a lot of different social media pages as kind of a expert or moderator. And Canada is kind of going one direction. We're kind of going in another direction, but you're starting to see a new building code out there where you have to put in on the outside of the sheathing. So if you frame this up, let's say you're building a 2x6 wall, you put in your 1/2-inch plywood out there or OSB or whatever you're doing. They now want an R value on the outside that is continuous around the outside of the building. And I get that because 2x4s, 2x6s, our heat sinks in that, they go right through it. It's not an insulating value. So you do get those spots where you see it. But I'm starting to get concerned that if we don't do this part right, and I drive around and see some major builders in my area that can't even get the Tyvek part right, let alone putting on.
In the second hour, Eric G. and John Dudley discuss roofing and using the right material for your climate. And then dive deep into those electrical projects and the right way to tackle them.
Man, I think I did that right. And I'll lay there in bed all night and man, what if the house burns down? And lesson learned. I don't mess with things I don't know about. Yeah, I just
don't know. You don't mess with it. And
electrical should not be a DIY thing. Swapping an outlet, okay, fine. Swap an outlet out. Maybe even running a new one if you can run that wire from one to another and you know that the circuit breaker can take it. You got a 20 amp, you got 4 outlets on it. Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
But man, you go wiring car chargers or redoing your whole, no, you just can't. You can't.
Man, I tell you what, it gets crazy out there. And now the good news is now there's technology to help you with that. If you're worried about those shorts, if you're worried about that stuff, and we've talked about it on the show before, but there's a little box you can plug into an outlet in your home called Ting Fire.
You did talk about that.
So it monitors your house for shorts or things like that or bad neutrals or whatever. And it monitors your house.
All that and more on Saturdays Around the House show with Eric G. We have a huge announcement with our brand new Around the House YouTube channel. Check it out at Around the House HQ, and the link will be down in the podcast player notes. New videos, all in 4K quality, all ready for you to watch and learn from the best people in the industry. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon.
Hey, it's Eric G. with Around the House. Are you looking to grow your business? Need a spokesperson for your company? Maybe an MC for an upcoming trade show? Or maybe you want to up your game and shoot some promotional videos? My team of experts would love to chat with you. Head to AroundTheHouseOnline.com and fill out the Contact Us form, and we'll set something up. Thanks for listening to Around the House.